Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Turtle Beach Recon 70 headset. This headset is designed for gamers seeking a reliable and comfortable audio solution. It boasts 40mm over-ear speakers that deliver crisp highs and thundering lows, enhancing your gaming experience. The lightweight design ensures comfort during long play sessions, making it an excellent choice for everyday use. We will cover its key features and performance.
Now, let's attach the band. Begin by placing your Apple Watch face down on a soft, clean surface to prevent scratches. Take one end of your chosen band and gently slide it into the watch slot until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms it is securely locked. Repeat this exact process for the other band piece, ensuring both sides are firmly in place before wearing your watch. Once attached, it's time to adjust for comfort. Fasten the band snugly around your wrist, but ensure it is not too tight. Proper fit is crucial for the watch's sensors to maintain consistent skin contact, providing accurate heart rate and activity readings. Over-tightening can restrict blood flow and cause discomfort, so aim for a balance that feels secure yet comfortable throughout your day. Finally, let's talk about band care and maintenance. To keep your band looking great and lasting longer, regularly clean it according to its material type. For example, avoid exposing leather bands to excessive moisture or prolonged direct sunlight. Periodically inspect your band for any signs of wear, tear, or damage. Proper care ensures your Apple Watch band remains functional and stylish for many years.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.